Okay. When I get older, I marry her like I told her. Now I'm 26 and I work in an office. 9 to 5, not the best, I'll be honest. If I could change a single thing, I make it me and not him. But, okay. But I mean, your teacher. Don't. Because social cute doesn't mean I can pay the bills. Anyway, make the most of it. Cause she moves on feeling. But oh, you're the boyfriend and so. Do. I'm done, bro. And yeah, I met Jared. Of course, I met Jared, the one who took it away from me. You hit it instantly. I know, cause you were so tall to me. I think his jawline, shoulders, and muscles push against his fashion sense. I thought about what he looks like near. I'm not straight though. Cause she's living the dream. Living the dream. Cause she's living the dream. From back when we were 17, she's living the dream. Oh, she's living the dream. From back when we were 17, how on earth could I be safe when I'm one click away from being insane? I just think that I did a little bit of what I earned. I'm not gonna make another sin. The one I made when I was 20. I think I'm not alive. Disney World. And I'm your teacher. I've got the key and he just a normal. And even though he got social cues, it doesn't mean I can pay the bills. Anyway, make the most of him, cause she moved on pretty bloody quick. Oh, your new boyfriend's an asshole. Oh yeah, you want me to connect my old mic, dude. You're really. I think about you every day. Oh, so how on earth can I be safe? I think about him a lot as well. Maybe if he wasn't fine as hell. Cause your beauty and your grace your telephone calls are my favorite place. And I want you to notice me.
To be honest, I do not know how to twist.
Same with no restraining order, please. No, the rulo. I want to care. I want to smile your hair.
Let it go, Frozen.
Do.
My favorite song, Let It Go, Frozen.